In this video, I'm going to show you how to send crypto with Kraken Pro. In order to send crypto with Kraken Pro, just hit the portfolio at the bottom right? And then what you're going to do, hit withdraw, okay? And then just select your favorite crypto to send, right? In our case, we're going to use Ethereum. And as you can see, I don't have wallet address. Just go ahead and hit wallet address, select your favorite network, right? And then enter the address. Use your favorite wallet or use the wallet you want to send from Kraken Pro. So I'm gonna use a Phantom wallet, and then I'm gonna hit receive right here at the bottom, okay? And I'm gonna select Ethereum, the second one, right? And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just copy, of course, the generated address and paste it right here, right? So I'm gonna hit paste and then hit next. Now you're gonna add description, to just basically know exactly that you made the transfer or what's it for. And as you can see right here, it says confirm ETH address. They will send you a confirmation email, as you can see in our screen now, and to confirm that I made the I made the process, or I made the transaction. Now basically that's it. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you.